Flying Tigers, the famous American...
Okay, so the big question is, did it fly? Yes, it did fly. What I had to do though was borrow some tape, get the battery, put it right on the nose. So it weighs what, 2 grams I think. So just had 2 grams. It needed a little bit more nose weight, but it flew. And once it flew, we had a mid-air. It's all in good fun. So there you go. There's a repair. It does fly, and don't be afraid to tinker with these things. They're good fun. Enjoy the video.
Okay, we need right on the end. Airplane. Hey. Yeah, that went well.